Sing Sang Tai Tai Lei Ho. I'm Christine Grace P. De Jesus, 41 at age. I am from La Union, Philippines. I am married, blessed with three children, ages 21, 14, and 10 years old. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are cleaning, marketing, and cooking. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 7 years. From October 2016 to October 2023, I served one couple and two children, ages 8 and 5 years old.
Hello, Miss Christine Grace Jesus. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, especially when it comes to their children.
Can you tell us about your daily activities from the morning that you wake up until the night you went to bed?
My daily activities and duties are cleaning the house, cooking their foods for the whole day, washing clothes and dishes, and taking care of them.
Since this is your first time to work abroad, how will you overcome homesickness?
Sir, ma'am, I can overcome homesickness by keeping myself busy to the work and tasks given.
Are you willing how to cook some Chinese food? If yes, what if it's very hard to get the taste of your employer? Are you still willing?
Yes, sir, madam. I am willing to clean and do my best.
What if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and I will promise to be careful next time.
What if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How can you communicate with her?
Sir, madam, I will use sign language and will study on how to understand and to speak their language.
What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
What if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, sir, madam, I will just talk to them nicely, love, and then understand them.
What if the employer's children are fighting with each other? How will you manage them?
Just explain fighting with each other is not good and teach them what is good manner and right conduct.
What is the most important thing in taking care of baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange the duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I do my household chores.
What will you do if the baby cries at night?
I need to check if the diaper is wet, check if the baby is hungry or have fever.
What is the assurance of your employer that they won't regret if they will choose you?
I am hardworking, trustworthy, and can easily learn.
Do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job and it will help me to grow as a person. It is will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and will finish my contract.
Before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Christine Grace Jesus. Hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Ma'am and sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.